Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, January 31st. We are looking at Window Traders market profile of the ES and SPY. Last day of the month. S&P right now coming into today up 4.5%. So certainly the Bulls would like to start the first year of 2023 with an up month after last year. Right now, the daily came into balance yesterday. As you can see, pre-market, we traded below last Thursday's low. Okay, right now we're above it. This is a 3-day balance to me in this S&P. If we do take out Thursday's low, I'll have the daily down if we get into last Wednesday's range. And then we'll see how they attack the single prints from that day. They got close to them in the SPY and the ES. But, actually, ES looks like pre-market got into theirs. But for now, they're coming back towards yesterday's low. We've had nothing but gaps all year, but the gaps have not held, both upside and downside. That's an absolute form of emotional trading. Gaps and single prints. Well, that's all we've had is because short-term traders have run the market. Triple Qs right now still below yesterday's low. So we'll see if they do gap low. Again, there's 75 minutes to go prior to the opening. Russell, they're right at they're above yesterday's low for now. They did trade lower. Remember, this market all day yesterday, all day after head faking in B period, filling the gap and attempting to go higher into Friday's range. Basically, one time frame down all day, except for H period when we had our afternoon rally high. And now they're continuing that. So sellers are still in control right now. As far as the game plan, again, if it's a small gap, I don't think it's going to hold. So I'm not going to be looking to take a short against that. Remember, anybody who's gapped and go this year has gotten destroyed for the most part. What I would do is if the gap fills, still look for a short. Right now, we're still going to have lower value. That's very important to me. So whether you take it right when the gap at yesterday's low, or if it was to push up against the 11 wide overnight and see how we react at value low from yesterday and the overnight high if we ever got anywhere near it. Again, that's an early play. No real long play. Can you take a long against Thursday's low the first time? You can, since that's the bottom of our 3-day balance, but you're going to need your out. And right now I would use overnight halfback as my out because it's way too much heat all the way down to the overnight low. So if you want to buy the balance low, use the overnight halfback low as your out. These are just early plays. Again, right? If you're in the trading room, you'll see what the best odds are and what we're looking for as far as entries on either longs or shorts. Again, inside month, 1 day to go. The Fed tomorrow morning. So by the end of this week, we should have a lot hopefully decided as far as what direction this market wants to take. Inside month, 5-month balance. Weekly, still up. Nothing changed on that unless we take out 393.56, last week's low. Sitting on top of the trend line from over a year. And the daily, 3-day balance. If we take out Thursday's low, we go down. If we take out Friday's high, we go back up. If we get below Thursday's low, we're going to go test that trend line and then watch all these 3 major averages converge. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.